Here is my grandfather's 2003 Ruud Achiever 90 Plus with dual comfort control gas furnace. Thought I'd make a short video showing it since I am over here. Unfortunately, the weather is way too nice outside to use either the heat or cooling. So yeah, I have some really old videos from about over a decade ago showing this unit starting and running, which I will edit in here. But yeah, it still works fine. I might take this cover off real quick and get the model and serial, because I've actually never seen the inside of this unit. I'll also get a quick video of the air conditioning unit that it's matched up to. Okay, so while I was here, the Ruud Achiever 90 Plus with dual comfort control is running. I don't know how well you all can see that, but yep, she is running. You have, I don't know how well, yep, there you go. Yeah, so I don't know why these thumb screws right here were kind of giving me a hassle earlier, so I didn't really go ahead and take this off. After all, this is my grandfather's unit. Yeah, it is running, so here's some new footage of it running. That was a spark igniter. Ruud is known for that.